Quick example of the grading macro for Excel assignments. Here's just very quickly example of some output. So we have by file graded score, and also we have detail by student that can be provided to them. And just a quick glance at the assignment itself. So you provide the students a template file. And we've got a mixture here: VLOOKUP, concatenate, a little cash flow estimation problem, some sum ifs, count ifs, time value of money problems. And so imagining that, and we'll go ahead and close this, that we have all the files. Actually, here's the files to be graded. They're in a single folder, and I've got the solution file open. So I've got the solutions actually filled in here, and I've got a grader setup page, and it takes a few minutes to put this up. Many of these things are just yes, no, as you see over here where we got points and whatnot. So let's go ahead and run this right quick. Now, the grader itself is a add-in, so if you've added in, you go to the Review tab, and there's a little button for formulas, etc. grading. We'll get started here. So we've got our assignment, and if you've run it before, you can use most recent selections. It'll fill things in. I'll also just do this right quick. So if these things weren't already run, so we just select here what items to grade, and just there in column A, type in a name for the assignment or exam, whatever. Select a folder for the files to be graded, and let's see, that's in E, I believe. And notice it doesn't show any files, but they are there. Actually, we saw them earlier. You do have to choose an exam version, even if it's there's just one version. So just in general, go to some cell that's in every worksheet and the same value in every worksheet if there's only one version. And if we're doing list grading, we'd probably select yes here and whatnot. In this case, we're just going to do the quick grading, so this is really not needed. Yes or no, it doesn't really matter. Nor do these. These only apply to the list grading if you want to get partial credit. Okay, I've already filled this in, and in interest time I won't select them, but these have the student's last name, first name, and ID, and I could do more cells if I wanted to. That would be part of the output. And here we'll go with orange in terms of what color to use for the incorrect cells. Create a summary file, yes. Save solution file, yes, periodically, and insert comments, yes. And if I had a password protected exam or assignment, I would put a password there for those. Alright, so hit run. And so it's around running through. There's I think about 10 files for it to run through, and this will take a little bit of time. So it's actually grading. Okay, so it's finished grading, and it says there's no issues. If there had been something that couldn't grade for some reason, it would have indicated that they were in how many files those would have been. And here's our new output. Alright, so first here, since this came up first, this lists the student files that were graded, and this was, in this case, I ran it quick grade. And also we have the output. Each line is a file. So that's a quick demo of the grader.